Kaba na, not in a negative way, but kaba, like normal ka ba na mag-delete ka na?
So last ano initial reaction mo nalaman mo na ikaw mag-play with Doc?
Initial reaction, umiyak ako, tinawagan ko nanay ko. It's in my broadcast channel po actually yung screenshot na umiyak ako kasi lahat ng... I actually wanted to quit showbiz last year. As in, konting-konti na lang. Because initially, when my contract expired, I was supposed to be with another agency, and then eventually didn't push through. So I was like, maybe I should just quit. Maybe I should just give up on this. And then sobrang blessing in disguise na nakausap ko mga boss ng Viva. May nag-refer sa akin sa Viva. Ganun, so sobrang hindi ko napigilan yung luha ko. Sa aeroplano pa nga ako nun eh. Hindi ko napigilan yung luha ko nun kasi sabi ko, ito na talaga yun. This is really the biggest opportunity na naranasan ko sa buong buhay ko. So hindi ko dapat siya i-let go. I should not take it for granted. Kaya ginagalingan ko talaga.
Kaya nag-shoot na kayo sis, how was it like working together? Nag-start kayo mag-shoot na sis, how was it like working together?
Ako, sabi ko, like, before we start shooting naman, we had workshops, and mas nakilala ko siya doon, and I'm really comfortable na sa kanya. How was it working? Hindi lang. Like, actually, dahil nga, we're shows na, yung character sa eksena naman namin dito, cat and dog siya. So magkaway, so it's not that hard for us kasi we're close. Comfortable na.
Just really grasp the character, no? Pag nasa on-set na kami, parang hindi na talaga kami as Lance and Aubrey, as Clyde and Sam talaga kami. Kasi there's time for Lance and Aubrey stuff, there's time naman na mas dapat tutukan namin as Sam and Clyde. So we just really, parang siniset na namin yung priorities namin, mindset namin. Isa lang.
So did you discover anything about yourself, about each other? No? Okay, one.
About myself?
About her, about each other.
About each other, parang it's really important. It's really important to how to take care of a partner. How to take care of someone who's very close to you, someone very special to you. Para to make things work, to make everything smooth sailing, to make everything more comfortable.
Natutunan na lang sa kanya, it's really important to stick support. Yeah, lalo na yung love team. Kailangan talaga yun. Kasi, nagkaganda bago ako nag-love team ulit, like ngayon na, may hope na. So, parang yung support ko, parang kinukuha naman yung support sa sarili ko lang. But right now, it's important to stick support sa love.
No, last. What can viewers expect when about nila yung avenues mo tayo?
They can expect a very unorthodox relationship to begin with. Kasi very unorthodox. Pero malalaman nyo kung paano nila, on how the characters made it work for it to be, para magkatulugan sila.
What can viewers expect when they watch it?
Expect nila, like, kung ano, yung mga readers, expect nila kung ano yung nabasa nila. So, katulad ng sabi nila kanina, naging faithful kami sa bawat eksena sa libro. So, yung mga iconic lines, yung iconic scenes, mapapanood at makikita nyo talaga sa scene.
So last na lang, pakilala dan plug na lang.
Hi everyone, I'm Aubrey Carrasco.
Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Lance Carr.
And we're inviting you to stream
Avenues of the Diamond soon on Viva One.
Pakilala po ulit, please visit pikapika.com.
Hi, I'm Aubrey Carrasco.
Hi, I'm Lance Carr.
Please visit
pikapika.ph.
Thank you po. Ayun, ano na lang. Paano?
Talaga kasi gusto ko yung mga overlooking view. So parang kung if ever doon man, sana doon. Kasi unexpected eh. Kunwari, pumunta ka sa overlooking view, hindi mo naman expect na magpo-propose yung isang tao doon. So, ayun. Yung pala, dream lang naman siya, pero baka magbago in the future. Thank you.
I believe so. Because
Hi! Congratulations! For direct, in-rate mo naman itong ating mga bagong beats. Out of 10, ano ba ang kilig factor for you sa mga eksena?
Good afternoon. Ayun. Ang question na to para sa mga pairs natin. Kasi curious lang ako kung paano nag-work yung isang Gen Z love team. Kasi ang dami na namin nakilalang mga love teams.
I think there should be genuine care for each other. Lagi yung tinatanong yung isa't isa, kamusta kayo, okay ba kayo? Kasi ako, I'm not being a gentleman to her because of the cameras, because I just want to, like, gusto ko makita ng mga tao yun. Ayoko nung ganung mindset. I'm doing these things for her kasi inaalagaan ko siya. Gusto ko siyang protektahan. Ayun po.
Wait, can I add? Kasi siguro kami nila Trisha, nila kaya nakakapita, you know, yung ng storya ninyo. Can I just add? Pwede ba ako magsalita or cannot?
Okay.
Pwede ba? So, like,
Be careful.
Walang clear lahat. Like, clear yung goals namin, kung ano yung gusto namin. Kakainis. Yung tingin. Clear yung goals namin, and yun nga, may mga boundaries din. And what I like about him naman kasi, attentive siya sa mga small details. Like, napapansin niya if I'm not comfortable na, so he'll ask me parang kung... At saka may times, madalas talaga, nag-aaway kami. Pero, pero hindi ko na i-detail your why. Basta yun, pero parang, siguro mas dun nagiging strong yung, namin, working relationship namin. Kasi mas nakikilala namin yung isa't isa na, mas nalaman namin na, okay, so Obs, you're not okay with this, and he's not okay with this, ganyan. So yun, basta for us, like, clear lang yung goals namin, and we're genuine to each other. Yes, that's it. Thank you.
Pagligawan. Up next is Ana Pingon ng Biga Biga at Abante.
Hello, hi guys. Kay PJ at kay Lance,
It's a blessing in disguise kung paano ko nakuha tong role na to. Because being part of Viva was never really in my plans dati. Because I never thought of it, ganun. So when it was parang, I wouldn't say offered, but it parang, ano ba? Sige, sabihin na natin offered na lang. Nag-audition po ako for the role, and I just made sure na kinalingan ko, and I'm really blessed. I'm really blessed and thankful sa binigay sa akin ng opportunity ng Viva, ni Direk, and ng mga bosses, lahat ng staff. Really grateful for them. And thank you rin po sa tiwala niyo sa akin. I won't let you guys down, I promise you that.
kay Aubrey naman. Aubrey, kita, mahiyain ka talaga, no? Nakaka-book 4 na. So, kumusta na ngayon yung self-confidence mo? Paano nakatulong tong university series sa'yo?
Napakalaki na po yung improvement ng pagdating po sa confidence po, pagiging confident. Nakatulong yung series po sa akin, especially the cast, para mas makilala yung self ko, mas ma-experience yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko maisip na gagawin. You know, to party in a club, to do those kind of things, like madami pang iba. Like, I'm really grateful sa kanila. Kasi nabigyan ako ng chance to explore everything. Na sa sarili ko, like, I'm really scared po kasi. Dahil nasanay ako, I'm introvert. So nasanay ako na dito sa comfort zone ko lang, dito lang talaga ako. But because of them, mas lumawak yun. Mas dun din naka-help sila na ma-boost yung self-confidence ko at maging kung ano ako ngayon. Like, yeah, kung masasabi ko, kung i-rate ko man yung self ko na kung gaano ako confident, like 10 out of 10.
Wow.
I'm really confident. And I'm really, thank you po. And sabi ko mga kay Direk, like, I'm really ready for this. Wow.
Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Guys, palakpan naman na.
Ni Aubrey. Sa book 5 kaya, pag nag-press pa ng book 5, nakadapo na kaya yan, parang kay Heaven at kay Marco. Actually, pwede naman po eh. Thank you po.
Alright then. Okay, so creator. Vito Santos.
Good afternoon.